All right, we made it up Hurricane Ridge. Well, not up, we're on the way up, but we made it through the line that took like almost 2 hours. So we're just thankful. They were counting down the cars as we were coming up, and we were one of the last people. So we made it, and we're gonna go check out Hurricane Ridge. My nose is so red from getting burnt on the whale trip. Yay, we made it to the top of Hurricane Ridge. Woo! So pretty. We're gonna take some hikes from up here. So this is the very top, and over there you can see the burnt down visitor center. Burnt down in May. Hurricane Hill. Oh, there's a ski lift. I think it's wrong. You're so weird. Oh, it's beautiful though. Is that water out there? Yes, ma'am, it's water. Alright, we're back on our way down from Hurricane Ridge. They closed the Hurricane Hill hike because there was cougars, which we actually weren't going to do anyways, but we walked around the meadow trail, which was just paved, and it was pretty. And now we're on the way back down to the visitor center because do not come up without trail map because, yeah, no internet up here, so wasn't our best choice. Yeah, going to get some internet and figure out a good trail to go on now. But yeah, pretty cool views from up here. Glad we made it. On our way down from Hurricane Hill, we stopped at this little area. Cute, with a bunch of like little waterfalls. The kids are playing. And you can see the little car park you can park at right there. Oh, Ella found herself a pioneer house from 1887. Let's see inside. Oh, random. Ooh, we took the Living Earth Trail right behind the visitor center. And oh, look at that tree root. Holy crap. And look. Yeah, they're huge. Those are their tree roots. They just like tipped over. Like how random. Pretty. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. That side, it looks wild. Very cool. So this is just like a 0.5 mile trail behind the visitor center. Super easy. Playing Jurassic Park on our little adventure. We're in Port Angeles and we're catching sunset from the top of the observation tower on the pier here. Where we are. We're on our way today to Crescent Lake. We're gonna do a Spruce Falls to the Devil's Punch Bowl, which I guess you can jump off a bridge into the water and do some like little cliff dives. We're gonna check that out, and then we're gonna go to Miramar Falls to see a waterfall, and we're gonna maybe check out the lodge and possibly head to Duc Falls later today, which is like a half hour south of where we are. And we're driving a half hour from our place in Port Angeles to Lake Crescent right now. We can see it in the background. All right, we're starting the Spruce Railroad Trail to the Devil's Punch Bowl. I think it's like 2 miles, so we'll see. We're gonna go along an old railroad bed or something along Lake Crescent. So we're headed out. We can already see moss on the trees. Ooh, I love it. So cool. Ooh, Lake Crescent. All those private homes on there on the other side. So cool. The color is just like bright blue when the sun hits it. Love it. The kayakers out there. I think we're gonna try and do that next. You can rent them somewhere. We just gotta figure out where. Coming up to a tunnel. This must be the old railroad tunnel they were talking about. But gorgeous. Coming up to the Devil's Punch Bowl. Hopefully.
Staircase to get up there. Yeah, so that's what
You can see the water, how clear all the way down. Ready? Alright, swim for over here. Is it freezing?
yeah. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3.
Hurry. Is it freezing?
Ella here, just jumped in the water off of the punch bowl thingy. Now I jump off the bridge, Lake Crescent. It's so pretty, look. Definitely recommend jumping in though, because it's super easy.
The way back from the punch bowl. We took. Ooh. All right, headed through. See you on the other side. We're here at Miramar Falls. Let's go. All right, third hike of the day coming up. Duc Falls trail, and then we're gonna head to the hot springs. So hopefully they get in and can enjoy hot springs. I wanted to go first, but my husband thought we should hike first, so here we go. Let's make it quick so we can get to the swimming. We're gonna start Duc Falls trail. Don't forget that we're in Cougar County. It says you need to fight them. So we're gonna head out to Duc Falls, 0.8 of a mile. Oh, I think we might have this. Got this. All right, there we go. All right, we're still on the Duc Falls trail. It's only 0.8 miles. I think we're like halfway. So we should be there shortly. I think this might be it. Over the bridge. We're at Duc Hot Springs. It smells a little bit like sulfur, but we're gonna go from 2 to 3:30. You get an hour and a half for $18, and there's 3 hot pools and a cool pool. So here's the pool. We're here at Second Beach today. We're gonna go tide pooling up at this giant sea stack. We walked 0.8 miles down a trail, like an actual trail to get to the beach, up and down, and we came at low tide. So make sure if you wanna go tide pooling, you do that. And we're gonna head out here and see what we can find. We already found some starfish and stuff, but we gotta head out to this big one or it gets covered with water again really quick. So this is the start of our tide pool. Look at the starfish. Oh, so cool. They're hanging at the bottom of this big stack if you come. Wow. All these little barnacles everywhere. Pretty neat. Ooh, we don't know what these things are yet. We're gonna find out. The purple ones are so cool. We're just gonna hang out here all day till tide comes. All right, we're gonna head to the other side. Look at all these little. Look at them!
Right here, Bella.
Sea anemones everywhere. Cute. Oh, those ones look like a set of boobs. Booby ones. Oh, there's some really big
Look
ones.
at the cracks, like they're everywhere in the holes.
Wow, lots of anemones. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, that didn't work. Wow. Very cool. Very cool. Done here, but my advice, come exactly at low tide because where we were is already filled with water. And the other side we went around that whole rock too and it's already filled with water. So definitely come right at low tide and figure in enough time to hike that 1 mile trail down here. It takes quite a while, and to park so that you don't miss the tide pools because they're amazing, but you definitely have to time it out right or you're gonna miss them or get stuck out there in the ocean. You don't want to do that. So anyway, super cool place to come. We're at Second Beach, but I think you can also do this at Ruby Beach, First Beach, Rialto Beach. Rialto Beach is also a hike down 1.5 miles. So we just chose this one randomly and we're pretty happy with it. So anyway, got a good view of what you can come see at Second Beach. Been here like an hour. We were out here at the sea stack that is full of water. Walked in between, we walked all the way around this one, all the way around that one. So definitely time your trip right. And you get to see all the cool stuff. And we went to another beach. If you keep going around here, you get to another beach. It's like no one there. So definitely check that out too. We're in the Twilight store. We're in Forks now. We just stopped at the welcome sign and we're gonna check out some of the sites, but stop here if you like Twilight because there's so much cool stuff. Super fun. We are headed to the Hoh Rainforest. We just drove an hour from Forks and we waited till 7 p.m. and we had 0 wait time. So they said it was like up to 2 hours earlier in the day. So we waited and yeah, we're gonna do the 2 trails, Hall of Mosses and the Spruce Railroad Trail. No, I don't know.
Oh, I know you're right.
Spruce something trail. And I think the total was only like 2.1 miles. So we're gonna go check it all out and yeah. So excited to see the rainforest here. So just for reference, they get 12 feet of rain a year. says, and it's the only protected rainforest in the northern hemisphere. So yeah, that's my little facts, and we're gonna go check it out. Alright, so we're just starting the Hoh Trail. We just saw an elk over there. It was literally 2 elk. It was literally the coolest thing I've like ever seen. I'll put a picture in. Oh my god, look at this water. It just looks magical. Alright. All of Moss's Trail. I think I said that like 3 times. But we are on the Spruce Nature Trail next to the Hall of Mosses. It's like came down to the Hoh River. It's pretty neat. Salmon run here. Just wants a drink. It's nursing home. A guy, a dad. We didn't realize the other ones were 2 moms. Your heaven. Miles of driftwood as far as the eye can see. We're at 4th Beach today, and we came for low tide again, so we're checking out the tide pools. Oh, that one's really purple. So many cool, just different things to see. Barnacles. Crab going under the water. Oh, he's pretty fast. He's going to find a new shell. We're in the Quinault Rainforest doing the Rainforest Trail.
There's a lot of neat stuff, but just
Yeah,
can't.
you haven't even seen part of it yet. Oh, up to the gum wall.
Your destination is on the right.
Oh, it fell off. Did you stick it on? Going. Oh my god, it's still going. Still going. Still going. Oh, it's true. Pick what you want. Which one would you pick? Pick one. Oh, quail eggs. Yeah, they're ducks, aren't they? Ostriches.